Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. I'm Neil, and this is a big WhatsApp thing in our family. I'm making your family happy by stopping anyone adding you to groups on WhatsApp. When our kids went to big school and they've got their phones, everyone started adding them to groups. All their new friends add, and you have no idea who's actually on these groups. And these WhatsApp groups have like 200, 300 members and contacts. It's just wrong. Anyone can get your phone number, and when you're on a group that you've been added to without your permission, you either have to leave the group, which is announced to the admin, or archive the group, which hides the group. But your phone number is still on there. My phone is on screen now. This is the WhatsApp app, and we're going to block and stop anyone from adding you to a WhatsApp group. On the top right are three dots. Click on that to bring up settings, and then scroll down to this option here, privacy. If I scroll down, there's this section here, groups. Click on that. It brings up who can add me to groups, and we have three options: everyone, your contacts, or my contacts except. I'm going to choose my contacts except, and here we can select all the contacts we want to block from being able to add me to a group on WhatsApp. But if we click on this hamburger tick icon with the three lines and a check mark, that instantly selects all my contacts. So now all my contacts are unable to just add me to a group without asking permission. To save this setting, we need to click on the green tick in the bottom right hand corner. So what happens now if somebody tries to add you to their group now that we've put this block in place? I can show you. I think I've put both sides on screen now. To add somebody to a group, the admin clicks here on add members, and then they look me up on search, Daddy Mossy. Then when they add me by clicking the green tick, they get this message: couldn't add Daddy Mossy. You can invite them privately to join this group. So now, when they click on invite to group, I get this invite message from the admin, not the group, saying invitation to join WhatsApp group. It's now up to me to click on join group or just ignore it. If I click on join group, it shows me who's in the group, and I can click on cancel down here if I want to ignore this, or join group to join the WhatsApp group. And now I appear in the admin's feed. Daddy Mossy joined using your invite. Congratulations! You can now block anybody from adding you to WhatsApp groups. I am calling this a Dad Delivers success. Knocked it a bit there. It would be lovely to hear from you if you say hi in the comments. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me out, helps me keep this channel going. And right here is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next.
Can you please help my daddy get 10,000 subscribers? Just click on his face. Thanks, bye. Alright, this is going to be the proper one, right?